food, baby. I love food, and I know that you love food too. Welcome to another Georgian episode of Food and Drink. I have Adjaruli Khachapuri and a Georgian mineral water. Nabeghlavi is the name. And guys, I'm telling you, now before I even taste this, it's the first time for me. This will be for sure one of the best episodes of all year. I can smell the dough here and just looks so fantastic. Water anyways, one of my favorite things in the whole world. So really can't wait. I want to dig in. Let's go. And there's a close-up of this beautiful thing here. I took this from Iveria in Munich, a Georgian restaurant. And yeah, I'll just bite into this. Amazing. It is fantastic. The cheese is a typical cheese for Eastern Europe. Just great ingredients. The freshness is on point, and I want to get to the egg there. Look at that, beautiful. So guys, as expected, the Adjaruli Khachapuri is fantastic from this restaurant, and I can only give it 91 points. So let's have some water. So apparently Georgia is famous for their water, and I love water, so let's give this mineral water a try. Whoa, you definitely have some minerals in this. Nice. Interesting flavor. And no, water doesn't taste the same all the time. This one is a very good one. I would give the Nabeghlavi 88 points. Very nice. There you have it. An amazing episode of Food and Drink. I will of course continue now. I hope you enjoyed this episode, this Georgian episode of Food and Drink, and let me know what other things I should try from Georgia. So comment, like or dislike, subscribe of course to my channel. See ya.